Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create this chest animation. So here's how it works. And boom, okay. We open the chest. Now we can't open the chest. The animation of rolls go into player. Pretty simple tutorial, it's not gonna be long. So yeah, let's get into it. So we have to UEFN. We need to create a new first file. You can name it whatever you want. I will name it system. Hit create code. So edit these comments with them. Begin. And we need its class chest data. Here. Let's type it. So here we will have all data of our chest. So the switch device, button device, item granter, and the function on chest open. So we can start with device. Yeah, switch device. So this is like the state of the chest, if they open this chest or you don't open the chest. So it's like showing to player if he can open the chest. What is it like to open the chest? It's like only for showing. We'll open it with button. Nice. We also will hide the default interaction of chest. Custom chest, if you use custom chest here, Fortnite one. Now we enter with gold. Okay. Let's open. It was. So we want to play chest, open the chest. We want to if device at current state or agent, if this false, want to turn off false is off. And enter front item agent button device. No, we don't need that. Okay. Else yes. Yeah, so this chest is like for each player. Each player can open this chest, not for like one chest for all players. For each of the player, you can set it to be one chest for all players. I'll show you how. So okay, print for the print. Okay. Here in them at the chest data. Chest data array. We don't want to have like one chest, people chest, so array. Create chest data. Okay. Fill in or loop. To loop through all the chests up. And data device interacted with and subscribe data. Basically when someone Click the button, this function will fire. So that's all code. All is simple. Now let's go to the Fortnite one. Devices and search for chest. This gallery. You can pick whatever chest you want, even this ammo box. I will go to this one. Add the button device. The middle of the chest. At time you can, it's like how much time you need to interactive chest to open. You can whatever you want. Interaction test, let's open test. Okay. Here we also will do in game pause, and really important now, interaction radius. We need to set it whatever, need to cover all the chests. So if for example 0.2, see this blue range don't cover all the chests. You need to cover all the chests like this. Can't leave it like this because player can open the chest now. To cover the whole chest, so player can't open the actual chest from Fortnite. Oh, some items to drop. Now device is it here, so it okay, initial state will be true, so player can open through game. Yes, allow interaction pause. We don't want to interact with this, and you can even go with some custom models if you want. Wait in Blender or somewhere. And also need store state per here. And if you want to save the chest, so player open the chest, leave the game and rejoin the game. And open the chest, rejoin the game, and save the status of the chest. For example, if player open the chest, leave the game and load another time like tomorrow to the game, you can't open the chest. But for now I will not save the state of it. Next we will need item granter. Grant the actual bolt. Here, all. Grab items player inventory, so keep all. If you want clear player inventory, you can, but I not recommend. Grant all items. Add 5 or 10. We'll add 5. And for animation, how much? If you add 1 gold, you will not have that animation dropping to the player. So you have like minimum 5 items. Gold 20. Want to copy it, just click shift right click, paste it, shift left click. Okay, receiving players condition always, and also important step, drop items at player location, you set it to always. Items, okay, that's it. Counter. Now we need to go to sound setting and search for auto pickup worst resources. Set it to yes. Save it. Oh, we need nice. device, and item granter. So let's hop to the game, check how it works. Okay, so I loaded to the game. That's it. And okay, and I think we need to set it to false. We need some art with wait for agent. Yeah, it's buddy. Better if we do up or like that. Open this like this. But for now we will set it to false. It also should work. So let's test it. And yeah, work. Get 100 gold, full animation. Now we can open it. So I think that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Yes, like and subscribe, and if you want the full code for this tutorial, just join my Discord. The link is into the description, and in the channel tutorials you will have full whole code chest animation. And yeah, see you in the next one.